What's going down? So today we are in profit. First trade we took a hit for about 400. The second trade was $750 in profit, so we walked away with $350 today. I'm pretty happy with the way everything played out. I only took 2 trades, but there was a point where the trade just kept going and going and going and going. But it's all good because it was an A+ setup. I executed, stuck with it, and we came out. So yeah, let's get into the live trades and I'll talk about why I took them and we can just go through the breakdown. All right, so this is the first trade we took, the classic trend line break. I noticed price was having troubles, breaking this area, around the 63, 64 area. So I hopped into the break. I thought price was just gonna keep going down. As you can see, price just kept falling, but then it came back up, retested, and yeah, it almost kind of formed a double top. So right around here, as you see, price is gonna start coming back up and still going along a downtrend. I was like, okay, cool. We're at the previous day low as well. I was thinking about taking the 300. I think we got to like 300 at one point, but I was really confident that price was going to keep falling. And at least I was aiming for the lows, right? The previous low right down there. Yeah, just waited it out. Now I did have my stop loss at 32 ticks just because I wanted to be at a safe area. I knew they weren't going to break that area, but nah, the bulls came in, they had other plans, and yeah, straight up just stopped me out, and that's all she wrote. All right, let's get into the next trade. All right, this next trade was a A+ setup. I knew it was at a previous area where I marked my supply area pre-market. I had a great entry. Soon as price rejected, I hopped in, no problem. I didn't expect it to come back up the way it did, but I was pretty confident that it wasn't gonna break this area just because there was so many contracts and I had some room with the stop loss. Yeah, I just let it play out. This trade took forever. This is the one that took a long time. Yeah, I just held it because I was aiming for one of the previous lows. I knew the 60 ticks could clear it. I also thought it was gonna, head downwards just because it needed to fill the gap. Yeah, all in all, I was pretty happy the way it played out. Now I did move my stop loss to break even at one point just because it was ranging for a while. So at that point, I didn't know what was going on, if they were just trying to build up, especially off some of these big spikes. But yeah, I just stuck to it, let the trade play out. I moved my take profit to 70 ticks at one point, and then I moved it back to 60 ticks. The VWAP was actually around my 60 tick banger, so yeah, I was able to knock that one down, and we got $750 out of that, which wiped away the loss and walked away with $350 for the day. So as you can see, it worked out. We are in the green. I mean, $350, that's still good to me. It's Monday, so we're starting out the week in the green, and we're getting close to the 2,000 mark on the account. So meaning I only need, 1,400 maybe 14 or 1,300 to beat the challenge. So I'm pretty confident we're gonna do it this week. All right. And yeah, we're just gonna keep doing our thing. So, tomorrow's gonna be good. Let's get the account up even higher, and I'll see y'all on the green. All right, peace.